y'all, so I have another little button craft that we're going to make for some winter decor. So I'm just using a piece of scrap wood and it's stained in dark walnut. And I had this random assortment of buttons. I'm just picking out all of my white buttons that I have, kind of off-white buttons, and also some light green buttons, as well as mixing in a few little wooden snowflakes. So first we're going to sort them all onto the board first so that we can get our shape of our tree, because I'm going for like a wintry tree look. Once I had them all placed in the shape that I wanted, then I went back and glued them all to the board. So I really love soft and warm tones for my winter decor, and also kind of a rustic feel to give my home more of a cozy vibe for the winter months. This is a pretty simple and self-explanatory video anyway, but I did want to share it with you guys because it turned out to be a really cute decor piece. And I felt like mine needed a little something extra. I'm always adding some twine somewhere in my crafts, y'all, so I'm adding a little twine down on the bottom, and we're just securing that with a little bit of glue on the back. And I always love adding a tiny little bow as well. So that's all it is to it. I really hope y'all enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching.